Hello guys, today I am going to visit Noh-Kawang Waterfall in Trangblang village. Here is my auntie's place here, and here is my nephew who is going with me. So I will show you very soon. And as we are going, I cannot go alone, so he will be my guide today, my nephew. And here is my auntie. Pidine, oh hi ne. Here's my auntie and my sister. We are going to. We have reached the entrance of Noh-Kawang. So guys, we are riding to Noh-Kawang Waterfall. It is the road to go to Noh-Kawang Waterfall. You can see the road is not very good, but I hope the destination would be worth going for. So guys, come, we will see. We have to do some trekking for a few minutes, then we can see the beautiful waterfall. So we are doing some trekking now. This is a nice trekking place. It's so clean, the road is so nice. Finally, I reached Noh-Kawang Waterfall. I'm going to show you this right behind me. You all can see this is the Noh-Kawang Waterfall in Trangblang village of West Jaintia Hills. So you can see I'm coming after the rain, so the waterfall is so beautiful.
So let me show you the beautiful view of the Noh-Kawang Waterfall. You can see it from a distance, and I will cross the bridge. I will show you. So guys, keep watching. After spending 1.5 hours in the waterfall,